Ano, class? Na-discuss na? Wala pa? Okay, this is actually recorded, no? So, problem 2-6. A rectangular beam has a width of 300 and effective depth of 500. Area of the steel is 3-25 mm diameter. Complete compressive stress is FC prime, which is equals to 34.2 MPa, and Fy is equals to 414. So the question is calculate the design moment or MU or yung kasi di ba yung design moment is also equal to MU. So you are looking for the MU. So use the NSCP 2050. Pero feeling ko parang kaya nyo na. No, parang feeling ko kaya nyo na itong isolve kasi ilang beses na tayong paulit-ulit, no? So, alam ko kaya nyo na to. So, having this properties, you have the width, which is equals to 300, and the depth, which is equals to 500, and the area of the steel, ano yun, di ba, ang binigay niya lang ay yung exact number. So, we have 3-25 mm diameter. Alam niyo ba sa CE project, ikaw ang magde-define ilan, anong bakal ang gagamitin mo. So, hassle sa'yo yun. Ano gamitin ko? It's 20, 25, or ganyan. So, problema ka. But at least you have this idea. So, let's say ang area of the steel mo is equals to 3-25. Yes, 3 pieces of 25. Malaki naman ang 25. Actually, malaki yung 25. So, parang, nitry ng designer kasi gusto niya konti lang ang bakal. Kasi ganito kasi yan, Clan. Pag ang isang structure maraming bakal, akala natin mas malakas. Ang totoo niyan, mas prone siya sa cracks. Totoo? Kasi yung spaces lumiliit. The more kasi na yung mga bakal masyadong dikit, can i-create mo yan ng crack. Kaya nga mayroon siyang minimum spacing na tinatawag. Na hindi ka pwedeng magbaba sa spacing na provide. So as a designer, they prefer to use the larger ones. Pero kapag hindi available, and that is the decision of the engineer if kailangan niya i-change yung so from 25, hindi available. So it's up to the engineer kung gagamit siya ng 20 or 16 or mas lower than that. For as long as calculated niya. At ano niya na yung design is still safe. Kasi class, I just wanna correct. Kasi ang sinasabi nila, ang major namin, hindi naman kami major in structural. Bakit? Hindi ba kayo mag-site engineer? Anong gagawin niyo doon sa site? Magsi-selfie? Magpi-picture? Magbibilang ng material? You are hired as a professional person. So meaning to say, alam mo kung the building is safe or not. If nakita mo na hindi available, and that is why nandyan ka, you are the one to make a decision. Kasi kaya naman yan ng foreman. Kaya naman yan ng mga non-degree. Yung magbantay. Tama. Diba? Kahit engineering graduate, ipalagay mo yan, pagbantayan ng construction. Pero syempre, sinong magsasabi kung okay yung design? Sino ang magde-design? Alangan naman si structural engineer, yung gumawa ng design, no? Hindi na. Kasi si structural engineer, nasa papel siya. So si engineer, na-hire siya yung magbabantay ng site if the structure is still safe or kasi hindi nila alam yan, class. Would you think? Maswerte lang if your foreman is actually a civil engineering graduate. Kasi gets niya bakit kailangan ng mga minimum spacing. So, paano kapag kontraktor ang utak niyan? Kaya yan ng 1 meter. Kung alam mo yung flooring, ang nakalagay dyan ang spacing ng slab mo is equals to 0.5. Pero wala man nakakita. Gawin natin 1 meter. O 2 meters, mas malala. Ngayon, kaninong lisensya ang nakataya? May lisensya ba sila? Hindi. O sino yung engineer na nakabantay, lisensya niya ang nakataya. So, tandaan ninyo, be responsible engineer once na magkakahanap kayo ng engineer. Okay, going back, we have the FC prime. which is equals to 34.2. Uy, beyond the limits of 17 to 28. So, ibig sabihin, nandun siya sa pangalawang choice. And you have your Fy, which is equals to 414. Okay, so what is our required? We need to solve for the MU, or the design moment. So, first step is actually solve for the raw. Diba? Kasi given mo ng AS. So, we are looking for the section if that is safe or not. Okay? So, raw is equals to AS over BD. So, kailangan natin muna siya isolve as this one. So, since this is 3 pieces, 3 times pi over 4 times 25 squared over the BD, which is equals to 300 times 500. So, take note, pag nag-solve tayo ng raw, i-copy mo yung buong equation. Nakita niyo? Huwag kayong ma'am, ano yung minimum? Ano yun? How many digits? Sabi ko 2 digits lang. 0.01. 1 digit. 0 na yan. Nagets nyo? Pag raw, dapat complete. RN dapat complete. Pero yung mga courses, pwede ka na magbili mo. Okay, basta mga ganito. Okay, next. Since may raw ka naman is the next step. Anong next step, class? Raw mean. Okay? So, solve for your raw mean. So, what is the equation of the raw mean? So, for the equation 1, raw mean is equals to 0.25 times to the square root of FC prime over Fy. Calculate, please. Para may muscle memory. Ang hindi makalcule, ipa-board ko. Mag-calcule kayo o mag-board tayo? Okay. So, calculate, please. Ang sabi sa akin ng isang doktor, paano daw maging effective ang memory? So, sabi niya, lahat daw ng senses mo gumagana. So, ibig sabihin, aside from listening, seeing, speaking, you need also yung touch as sense. Okay, what is the value? 0.00353. Take note, ito yung Romin 1 mo. So, we need to solve another for the Romin 2. So, this is the Romin 2. Calculate, please. Okay, so that is equals to 0.00338. So, the question is, alin ang greater value? Is it the Romin 1 or the Romin 2? The Romin 1. Okay, so the 6 nakuha na natin yung Romin. As Romin 1. So the next step is actually check if raw is greater or less than your Romin. So the value of our raw is actually equal to 0.00982. So which is the greater one? Okay, ito or this one? Okay, so this is the greater value, meaning to say use raw as raw. So you have the Romin. Since Romin is less than raw, the given AS is adequate for the dimension. Ibig sabihin, you don't need to redesign. Ibig sabihin, yung dimension pa lang, based doon sa assumption is pasok doon sa ating dimension. So, hindi siya over or under bakal. Okay? Or under bakal na lang yung over-under. Hindi siya under bakal. Okay, next. Check natin if the steel yields or not. Diba? So, dito natin malalaman kung tension control, transition, or ang pinakamalala ay compression control. Okay. So, bago yan, we need to solve for the raw balance. So, calculate please. Ay, wait lang. Since FC is greater than 27.6, kasi may FC prime natin is 34.2, then, ito yung sinasabi ko. Ito yung mahabang formula. Calculate, please. Okay, ang gusto ko kasi RC ang favorite subject ninyo. Same with me. Favorite kong RC. So, sana favorite nyo din. So, what is the value? 0.08. Tama ba? Okay. So, since meron na tayong beta, can we solve for the row balance? Meron na lahat? Okay. So, proceed. Calculate. 0.07. Okay. Wait lang din para sa calculate nyo. Okay. Since, what is the value of rho? 0.00982 and 0.03349. So, ano mas malaki? Saan? Ito yung mas malaki kasi nga 0.0. Yung isa 0.00. So, baka bigla kayong, pag nagmamadali kayo, iba yung makuha niyong value. Patay. Okay. Sige, go. Since rho is, okay? Since rho is equal or less than rho balance, meaning to say you're still, sila tula. Okay. So, meaning to say, Fs is equals to Fy. So, direct ka na. Solve ka na direct sa ating maximum, your design moment. So, with this equation, okay, ito yung generic equation natin. We have 0.85 Fc prime times AB, which is equal to AS times MS. So, since Fs, diba, since the steel yields, meaning to say Fs is equal to Fy, then use Fy as Fs. Okay? So, with that, direct ka na. Thank you, please. We are looking for the value of A. What is the value? 69. Okay, so we have our value of A. So what is the next step? Okay, since we have the value of A, what is the next step? Solve for the C. So C is equals to A over beta 1. So, paki-compute class. Paki-compute. Pag hindi matalhi, pa-board work ko. 86.7. Okay, so since na-solve na natin ng C, what is the next? Solve for Fs. Ay, yun ba? Fs. Okay, so calculate please. So, yan din ang lumabas. Okay. So, can we check if Fs is greater than Fy? Anong mas malaki, Fs or Fy? Fs. If Fs is greater than Fy, tension or transition? Tension controlled. Ano ba yan? Kasi 2,000. Diba? So, di ba ang value natin, if Fs is equal or greater than 1,000? Okay? So, ibig sabihin, tension, control. Okay? So, use the factor which is equals to 0.90. Okay, then balik na tayo. Since meron na tayong factor, meron na tayong value ng FC prime, may A at may B. Can we solve the design moment? Yes, so apply. Thank you. So, ma-perfect yun ang exam, no? Sa RC. Class, di ako nagpipiro. May naka-perfect ng exam. Oo, totoo na. So, may libre ano-ano sa akin. Ano-ano yung chichirya. Sorry na value. Take note that is actually by 10 raised to 6 kasi we need to convert that into kilonewton meter. Okay, so the answer is same. 255.171 and that is the answer to our problem. Okay? Kaya? Kaya talaga mag-sit-work eh. Hindi pa. Humble kayo, no? No? Alam ko kaya nyo na. Ayaw nyo lang i-try. Ah, sige, board work na lang. Sino ang gusto mag-board work? Bibigyan ko ng exemption sa sa sit work next week. Board work. Try nyo muna i-solve. Try nyo muna. Try. Hindi mo na sit work, board work mo na. Sino ang gusto mag-volunteer? Wala, no, kung sinong mauna na matapos siya yung mag-board work. Pag siya nag-board work, ibig sabihin yan, exempted na siya sa darating na si... Sino mauna? Unahan lang. Ay, di mo na sit work. Unahan na lang. Try nyo class. O, yung mga naka-online, try nyo din. Actually, recorded to. Pero importante, try din nila ang sarili nila. Ha? Pwede dalawa rin kayo. Ay, di pa kaya, no? Pwede lang itong subject. Tulak hila. Tulak hila. Yan lang. Gusto niyo pa ng complicated? Madali lang ako kausap. Try nyo. Practice problem. Okay, calculate the ultimate capacity of rectangular beam with B which is equals to 300 and Z is 500. You have your area of the steel which is equals to 9 pieces of 28 mm diameter and assume your FC prime which is equals to 34 and Fy equals to 41. Ha? Wala mong layer na nabanggit? Okay lang, direct kayo. Na-curious kayo, no? Kasi connect doon sa, chapter 1. Sino gusto mag-burger? So, pwede kayo no time pressure. Sino mauna siya? Sagda na sa... At pareho lang ito doon sa na-discuss ko kanina. Di ba? Kapag nakinig kayo, ganun lang din yung process. You are still looking for the design movement. Design movement. Kung kanina design, ganun din yun. So, binago lang natin yung number of the ribeye. So, yun yung challenge. Kasi, kumbaga, huwag tayo focus on one example. Kailangan, alam natin may process. Ito niya. Yan, kung sino ang mag-board work. Okay? Dalawa lang ang kailangan ko ha. O, dalawa lang. Accepted na sa 6 works sa next week. So, yung katulad sa kanina. Mark yourself as safe. Safe ako sa susunod na teamwork. Pareho lang yan ang example ko kanina. Hindi din makuha na. Pwede man mag-extend, no? Extend next year. Yung top notcher nga ng board exam, nag 7 years sa college. Kaya mo tularan? Okay, meron? Ay, nakatayo. Gusto niya? Ready na siya na ano. Ha? Oo, kaya ko. Ano? Saan na? Sa ko din. Kaya? Nasaan na kayo na par? For work. For tayo. ma-check natin. Baka magpa-secure tayo, may ano pa yun. At least kahit magkamali siya, okay pa rin. Kasi hindi natin na. We will try to correct that. Ah? Yes, pero kung na-check niyo yung area of the steel nag-iba. Siyempre, pag nagbago na yung area of the steel, magbabago na rin yung. Pero, I mean, siguro may konti, pero still, we are looking for the design moment. No, yung dalawang pag-ayaw dyan sa likod, pwede rin kayo mag-combine. Ano kayo, kambal? Baka si SK. Gusto yung try ni SK. Si Adam. Adam, kaya? Lapit ka na? Oh, very good. Mahirap naman kung tayo, sige, bigay na example. Kailangan kayo din. Para magana yung ating, ano, alertness. Malay kayo, isa sa inyo, magiging top notcher ng board exam. Oh. Alam niyo, class, kahit ilang taon kayo sa college, pero pag nag-top kayo sa board, bukado lahat yung mga kalokohan. Kahit nag-10 years, I mean, nag-gets di ba yung point ko? Kahit nag-10 taon ka na, kahit 5 na ang singko mo, pag ikaw ay nag-top notcher, burado yan lahat. Ha? One take, ay, tama, one take lang talaga ang top notcher. Ah, 'di ba? Kahit kunwari cum laude ka ng engineering tapos nabagsak ka sa board, anong tingin sa ng tao? So, reverse psychology natin, 'di ba? Ako nga, hindi nga ako cum laude, pero parang gano'n, ba? Pangit sa pakinggan. Pero kung ikaw, bugoy ka na, tapos nakataktak ka sa board, 'di ba? Matalino ka pa dun sa cum laude. Diba? Ganyan yung ano, di ba? Ganyan yung naging mindset. Kasi ito real to, no? Kasi yung nagiging basehan ngayon is actually yung summoner. Yun yung lagi. Tsaka alam ko, mga bangsamoro engineer, magagaling. Matatalino yan. O, di ba? Alam niyo ba bakit bumabalik-balik ang mega sa atin? Kasi naniniwala sila magagaling ang taga-CFA. Kaya dapat wag natin sila piguin. Kita natin na talagang nandito. Nandito yung hinahanap nilang top notcher. Hindi top snatcher. Ay, no, ba't na ako teka? Hindi mag-compute, ipa-board work ko Kaya nga, kailangan, hindi kayo magpa-compute na magpa-sit work ako ngayon. Kung hindi kayo mag-compute, magpa-sit work ako. Tapos hindi din nag-solve dyan, ipa-board work ko. Ano lang, maglapit na ako ba? Tignan ko dito yung mga ilagay ko, or ngayon pagbalik kailangan may mag-present na ha.